Weld.com channel is all about sharing the knowledge, the art and the science of welding. Science is in the classroom, obviously. The general knowledge of processes, the chemistry of filler wires, electronics of machines, everything behind that. The art is out here in the welding lab. And I know that Weld.com has helped a lot of people worldwide. We fielded a lot of questions about basic processes, how to set things up. And I know that we fielded a lot of questions about how to pass qualification tests on groove welding, pipe welding, structural, MIG, TIG, stick, flux core. I'm learning a lot of stuff out on social media as it's presented, a lot of tricks, so I'll subscribe to multiple channels. Also, Facebook and Instagram are good sources too. If you want to stay current, hit the subscribe button above this video. Well, it's about time to go throw down, so I'm going to get some safety gear on, grab a hood, and do some welding. See you soon.